Hey Saint, in today's video, I give you my top 9 tips on sleeping better in a hotel room. I've spent hundreds of nights in hotels. When I first started out, I didn't sleep so well, but now I often sleep as well in a hotel room as I do at home. Tip number 1, get your room cool. The first thing I do is set the temp at 65 degrees. Tip number 2, use blue blocking glasses after sundown. You can find out about all my gear, including items mentioned in this video, by following the link to kit.com in the description below. Tip number 3, use an amber colored flashlight at night. Tip number 4, sleep with earplugs. These are the ones me and Tim Ferriss use. Tip number 5, wear a sleep mask. I tried several and this is my favorite. Tip number 6, use a white noise machine to block out even more sound. Also, make sure you pick a quiet room. Keep away from elevators, ice and drink machines, and high traffic areas. Tip number 7, create a relaxation routine. This is the hardware I use for an app called Inner Balance. It's a high-tech way to relax. Bonus tip, this cool foam roller is great for self-massage and it folds. But wait, there's more. Tip number 8, use supplements that work. My favorite is Natural Calm Magnesium. That's what's in this Rubbermaid container. Tip number 9, use natural saline solution to help mitigate the low humidity in most hotel rooms. Along with these tips, you'll want to check out my exact evening routine. Click the link below for a free download. If you like this video, make sure to tap the subscribe button and share it with your friends. That's a wrap, and I'll see you next time.